Hi there, I'm Cathi from Software Solutions. An essential skill when you work with Excel, and particularly when you work with a list of data, is the skill of being able to sort a list. What I've got here is a sheet called products, for example, and if I look at this particular list, I can tell that it's sorted by product ID. And just to confirm that, if I press the control down arrow to take me to the bottom of the list, I can see there's 77 products, and control up arrow to the top of the list that are identified by a single number, and they're sorted from 1 to 77. So by being sorted by 1 to 77, they're sorted in ascending order. If I want to sort this list in descending order, there are a couple of ways you can do this. First of all, on the Home tab in the ribbon, you actually have a Sort and Filter button. And using the Sort and Filter button, you're able to sort from A to Z or Z to A. So if I choose Z to A, then product 77 will appear at the top. But if I go back into the Sort and Filter button and choose A to Z, then product number 1, which is chai, will appear at the top. Now you may have already added two buttons, Sort Ascending and Sort Descending, to your Quick Access toolbar. If not, I'm just going to customize my Quick Access toolbar and add the Sort Ascending, which is A to Z, and the Sort Descending buttons, and now I'm able to sit in literally any column, such as E, sit anywhere in that column and sort from A to Z. So my cheapest product of $2.50 is at the top, product number 33, or Z to A, which is my most expensive product at the top, $263.50, which is product 38. If I want to sort by product name, I simply click on any cell in column D, and again I can sort from A to Z, where Alice Mutton is at the top, or Z to A and put Zanace Kurokan at the top. If I want to put this list back to how it was, I could go undo several times, but I'm just going to click somewhere in column A and sort by product ID in ascending order. So that's sorting by one column, but sometimes we need to sort by more than one column. How do we do that? Well, if we go back to the Sort and Filter button, there's a custom sort. Let's right-click the custom sort button and add it to our Quick Access toolbar. So we've got quick access to this button, which allows us to sort by up to 64 columns. Now, just by sitting in the list somewhere and clicking this button, it does the highlighting for me. So there's no need for you to highlight when you sort. Now in here I'm able to choose a variety of levels that I want to sort by. So let's say I want to sort first of all by supplier. Then I'll add a level, and I can add up to 64. Then I want to sort by category ID, and then I'll add a third level where I then want to sort by product name. So I'm sorting by 3 levels, but again, as I mentioned, you can sort by lots. And if I go OK, then I've sorted firstly by the supplier, Dining Delights Distributed, secondly by the category, Chinese, Gourmet and Spicy, and then thirdly within the Chinese category, I've sorted by the product name, Alice Mutton, downwards. So custom sort, this button here, allows you to sort by multiple columns. These two buttons allow you to sort by a single column. I'm going to click somewhere in column A and sort by a single column using this button in ascending or smallest to largest order, and it puts it back to how it was. You'll also find the sort buttons appear on the Data tab. On the Data tab, those 3 buttons also appear here, but a lot of people just use the Home tab and this particular button here. And if you want to make it really easy to sort, then it's a good idea to add these buttons to your Quick Access toolbar. See you in the next video.